turned 18, a newly minted young Marine. He met her on a blind date one great night. That summer seemed to last so long. Come September, they were gone. Her off to college and him sent off to fight. Wrote a letter every day as the months would fade away. Said the same thing every time. I keep this one thought on your mind. We got one thing beautiful like a road, small miracle big enough to make the cold heart sing. We got us one beautiful thing. Come the graduation day, they were married straight away. Hers was 20 years, 3 kids, one sweet life. All sweet with every season. Love came like a shotgun blast. The doctor said his heart won't last. They were still meant to go believe tonight. The Lord only knows the reason. She sat beside him every day as the strength would fade away. Said the same thing every time. Gonna keep this one thought on your mind. We got one thing beautiful like a road, small miracle big enough to make a cold heart sing. There's just one thing that can bring white eyes and tears that can stand through all the years. Don't you dare try to disappear. It takes us all to make one beautiful thing. And after his recovery, he said it looks like you're still stuck with me. And this one thing you